know that the attendance cycle is a crucial aspect of processing the salaries for employees. What is an attendance cycle? The opening and closing of the attendance cycle essentially marks the first and last working day of that particular month.
Salary is calculated on the basis of attendance cycle.
ZingHR can help you to export the data from the system once a month. At the time of payroll processing while gathering the leave, time, and attendance details. Step 1. Log into the ZingHR portal and the dashboard page will appear. Step 2. On the top right, click on the settings icon to open the Setup Circle page screen. Step 3. Once the Setup Circle screen is visible, click on Time and Attendance module to configure settings rules related to attendance, shift management, leave management. The time attendance window will be displayed. Through this screen, you can create new attendance groups, configure rules related to existing groups. Step 4. Click on the attendance cycle open or close to view the current active month cycle and select the type of shift. Once the user clicks on Next Month, the next month's attendance cycle will start. Before the user starts with the next month's attendance cycle, the previous month's attendance cycle has to be pushed to payroll. Any transaction which is approved later after the payroll processing comes as array here in Next Month. Step 5. Once the user clicks on Next Month, the previous cycle will be closed. Before the previous cycle is closed, employees have to complete the pending attendance process, such as apply regularization or leave, any approved regularizations requests if any. Every month the user has to manually close the attendance cycle. It is not done automatically as the payroll cycle date attendance cycle date could differ as per different organizations.